Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has asserted that Manipur government is making all efforts to give impetus to entrepreneurship in the state with assistance from centre. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla was speaking during award ceremony for Governor's Best Entrepreneur Rolling Trophy and All Manipur Entrepreneurs Association Outstanding Award 21-22, which was held at Banquet Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Chief Secretary P.K. Goyal, Additional Chief Secretary Textiles, Commerce and Industries Anurag Bajpai, along with various entrepreneurs attended the event. Speaking in the program, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla maintained that the present crisis in the state led to delay in growth of entrepreneurship in the state. However, with situation improving, government is taking up efforts to give further push to entrepreneurships. While emphasizing that entrepreneurship is the cornerstone of human progress, Governor Bhalla highlighted that efforts are underway to start tea plantation in None and Tamenglong districts. The planned Unity Mall will also provide huge platform and market for handicrafts in the state.
These awardees are not just a mark of individual achievement, but a celebration of spirit of innovation, resilience and enterprise that defines our people. Today, as we reflect upon the progress of Manipur's industrial and entrepreneurial sector and reaffirm our collective commitment towards building a stronger economic future for our state. Because of certain disturbances over the last 2 years, all the activities get impacted, and even young enterprises also have got impacted like any other thing. But hopefully things are becoming better and these things will come back. Especially the startups and all suffer quite a lot because they are at a stage of infancy, and any such extra factors from outside can disturb and dislocate the whole thing. So I'm happy that we are back into a normal thing, and some of those enterprises have been revived and are working again.